Hello guys, this is Pulse, and in today's video I would be showing you the basics of Mirage. So in this video I would be explaining the map, showing you all the different callouts and the places that you need to pre-fire as a terrorist. So this video is based from the point of view of a terrorist side. So let's assume that you guys are just new to the game and they are looking to get better in it. So this area right here where you would spawn is called as the T spawn. As you can see on the left side, it is written T start. So in the game we call this spawn as T spawn. All this area is, or you can also call it T base. Now there are two ways for you to go. Actually there are four ways. So you can go here, you can go here, you can go here, and you can go here. So let's start individually covering different aspects of the game. So let's start by the A. So there are two ways by which you can go onto the A side. From the palace, this is called as the palace entry, and this is called as the A main area. So let's go and visit the palace first. So if you go in here, this is called as the palace hallway. These are called as the palace steps. And once you are in here, this is called as the outer palace. So in outer palace you need to check the stairs, this angle right here, this angle right here, this angle right here, the Tetris, the sandwich, the nest. So there are a lot of angles that the guy coming out of palace has to check. So ensure that the best aimer, or at least the guy who has the best reaction time, goes into palace. So guys, this is how the palace would look like. So you need to come out of the palace. Now since you need to kill the counter terrorist guys, you need to molly this off. You need to molly under palace, so that if there is any counter terrorist who is camping under palace and waiting for some frags, he can just flush out and you can kill him from A main. Okay, so the next thing that you guys can do is, once you are out of palace, you need to pre-fire this angle. There could be a CT who's camping this angle, so he could be waiting right here for you. You can just kill him. Now secondly, you need to check this angle. This is called as the firebox. So you can either molly the firebox like that from A main, or you can just wall bang. So there is a good option of wall banging the firebox. You can easily wall bang it. Now moving on to, this is called as the double box. Okay, or you can also call it as default. Now there could be a CT who's camping in this area. So since it's sandwiched between Tetris and the stairs, so it is called as the sandwich. So you need to molly sandwich. I would be explaining all the utility in the further videos. This is just an overview for you guys, so that you know the map at least before you guys can proceed. So this is the sandwich, that is the Tetris, and this right here is the stairs. So counter terrorists could be camping by holding an AWP and watching palace. So you need to ensure that this right here is smoked. You need to smoke the stairs, you need to smoke the jungle area, you need to smoke the this right here is called as the CT. So you need to smoke the CT as well. So you need these three smokes in order to execute A. Then after these three smokes, you need to molly sandwich and you need to molly under palace. So once you are done with that, you would easily get the site and you can play post plant as a terrorist. So I'm not going on to executes right now because I want to show you the map first. So this is the stairs, this is the Tetris, this is the sandwich, this is the under palace, that is the palace, that is top palace, that is default box or the double box, this is the firebox, and this cheeky angle right here is called as ninja. So sometimes counter terrorists like to camp in this spot as well, so ensure that you check this spot each and every time. So this is the ninja spot. Now they can also camp in here. This right here is called as the tri box or the triple box, so they mostly call it triple. So this is the triple. As you can see, there are 1, 2 and 3 boxes here, so it's called as the triple. Now this right here is called as the bench, A bench. So you can call it A bench, or you can just name it yourself, but since there is a bench here, so it's called A bench. Now this spot right here, guys, this is called as connector. So this connects middle to A side. As you can see, this is I would be coming on to the middle part, but for now just understand that this connects middle to the A side, so that is why this is the connector. Now this right here is called as the connector ninja spot. So ensure that you check this angle for any AWPer holding, so that he can just take a peek and fall back to safety. So this spot needs to be checked each and every time. Then this entire area is called as the connector. Now if there is some counter terrorist who is just camping here and waiting for you guys to just peek out of triple, so you guys can just wall bang him easily. Just go into this corner and start spraying your AK. As you can see, this is easily wall bangable and this would kill him. So now moving on to our next spot, this right here is called as the jungle area. So you need to ensure that you have this smoke in order to smoke off jungle, or you can easily get picked by an AWPer who is just holding for you guys to come in. Now this right here is called as a jungle right side. This right here is called as the nest area. So why is this called as nest? Because it has a window in here. So this is called as the window or nest. So they can be, the counter terrorists could be peeking middle with this area. So from this nest window to this area, it is all called as the middle. Now this part is called as this is called as the lower connector. As you can see, it is just close to the connector, so we call this area as the lower connector. That right there is called as the lower middle, and this right here is called as the catwalk or the B shot. Now starting from this area, this is called as the B shot area. Okay, so this is called as the B shot area. This is the catwalk. This right there is the bottom connector. That is the lower mid. This is the higher mid. And when you say higher mid, guys, communication is very important in this game. So when you say higher mid, just be precise. Just say it is he's top left of mid, or he's top right of mid, or he is behind box. So that way the teammate can easily understand the call and there is no miscommunication. So now CTs do try hiding in this position as well, so you can just molly them off from underpass, which I would be coming to next. So I hope you got the information I told you till now. It's easily digestible. So this is the B shot, this is the catwalk, this is the lower mid, this is the bottom connector, this is the connector, this is again the mid bench. And moving on, you need to break this window. This is the nest vent. Okay, now since the nest is connected to this window is called as the B shot window, guys. So do remember this window. This is the B shot window. Now, and this entire room is called as the ladder room. So like the CTs could be camping in this room like that and holding for you guys to come in from B shot, so that they can hold this off angle and kill you easily. So you need to take care of that as well. Now guys, this is the nest area and this is the B shot. You can self boost yourself into this area if you are a counter terrorist. Okay, so now let's move on to the other aspect. So I covered the A side pretty much now, so let's take a look at the other part. So I covered the A side from the palace point of view. Now let's cover the A side from the A main point of view. So if you decide to go A main, guys, this is called as the close A main. So the CT could be camping in this area. This is all called as the A main. So from this point to the inside of A main, it is all called as A main. Now this right here, I told you it's Tetris. You need to check this angle, then come in and check the default angle. You can just pre-fire this angle and this angle and the under palace angle, this angle. Also you need to check sandwich, you need to check triple. You can just molly triple while coming out of A main if CT is smoked for you. So this is CT. Okay, so this is how you take A side. This is stairs, that's connector, that's jungle, and if you go in here, this is the nest area, that is the ladder room, and I've shown you the rest. Okay, so now this was the A site complete from the terrorist point of view. Now let's go into the other point. That is, what if you chose to go B? Now you can go B from here or here. So let's see these parts and let's explore them. So let's see if you want to go from here. So this is called as middle. All this area from starting from here to here is called as middle. Now if you decide to go from middle, these are the middle boxes. This is called as the chair. Okay, so guys, as you can see, there is a chair here. So if you are peeking B shot from this angle and waiting for the counter terrorist to peek, this is called as the chair angle. So counter terrorist could be here, here on this ledge. They could be boosted, they could be jungle right side, jungle left side, they could come from underpass as well. So you need to check all these angles when you are on chair. Okay, so now let's say guys, you're going B and you decide to go B from here. So once you smoke off this area, you can just enter B shot. You need to pre-fire this angle, that angle, and this angle. So you need to have these 3-4 pre-fires, guys. Now once you have taken B shot, you are into B side. So this is B shot, guys. Till this pillar it is B shot. Your friends are coming from B app since you decide to take B, so you need to just go in from B shot. Now let's explore other angles. So guys, this is the get right position. It is very well known as the get right position. This is the pillar, so you can play close to this pillar and take information as a CT, and this is the get right, so they can play from get right position. Now this right there is called as the backside. This is actually not called the backside, this is the default position, whereas this right here is called as the backside position. Now you can self boost yourself upon this box. That is very much possible. As you guys can see, you can just self boost yourself upon this box. This is the trash can. That right there is the bench. So as you can see, there is a bench here. You need to molly this spot as a terrorist. Now this spot, just a second. Okay, so this spot right here is called as the jail. Now this is a very OP position in my opinion. So if there is a pistol round and the terrorists are coming out of this B apps, you as a counter terrorist could sit here on this position. Now this right here is called as the van. As it is a van, you can just crouch and sit and wait for the entry kills, but I won't advise you to sit on this position. Firstly, because the terrorist would molly it, and secondly because the flashes would make you blind. So use this position. It's good in eco round but not in a buyer round. You can just play this position instead and just do like that. You can play anti-flash. Okay, so we would talk about all that stuff in the later videos, guys. So this is the B side. I covered the B side for you. Now let's go into the other aspect. Now this is the market. This is the market door. That is the market window. The CTs would be coming from this area. Now for the CTs, I would like to show you some other things as well. So guys, this is the CT spawn. This is where the CTs would spawn. Now they can go here, they can go window, or they can go B side. So once the terrorists have taken B, they would rotate from the CT spawn or from nest or from wherever they want, and they would come to B. So this is the B site ninja, guys. This spot is the B site ninja. So you can expect a CT to be sitting here, although it's rare, but it can be beneficial for them in some rounds, so be cautious. This is the catwalk, guys. This area right here is the ladder room. That is the nest. And now let's come to the other half of this video. That is, I've covered 3 entrances: the palace, the A main, and the middle area. Now let's see if the terrorists want to go in from here. So this right here is the TV room, guys. As you can see, there is a TED TV here. So this right here is the TV room. Okay, so these are the B apps, guys. Now I showed you A apps or palace, but this is the B apps. So from B apps you can just go into underpass if you are planning to go A. This is the underpass. As you can see, it's under apps, so it's underpass, and you can just hold in here for some counter-terrorist to peek window, and you can just instantly headshot him. So this is the underpass, guys. Now moving on to the next section. Now these are the B apps. Okay, so you can just expect the counter-terrorist to be camping in here. So when you are coming out of apps, let's say they have smoked this area and you are just waiting outside the smoke. You don't know what you can do, so just wait for the smoke. Don't push the smoke because you would get instantly killed. Just wait for the smoke to fade and line up a flash. So that's how you would flash, and you can just pre-fire this angle, and if he's at this angle, your teammate behind you would trade you. So this is a gamble, guys, but you need to check angles like that after flashing only. Now you need to pre-fire this angle, you need to molly this part because they could be camping up here, so you can just kill them. You need to molly van and you need to molly bench. That's how you do the bench molly, and this molly is jail as well. So these 3-4 mollies are required while taking B. So I would be coming to the utility in the future videos, but this was a quick map overview, guys. So I hope you are clear with all the calls now, and that right there is the bench, that is the van, this is the pillar, this right here is get right, that right there is jail, that is the market window, that is the market door, and this right here is B shot. That right here is ladder room, that is the nest, this is the catwalk, that is the bottom connector, this is the lower mid, that is the chair, that is the high mid box, that is left side mid, that is the TV room, and this right here is the T-spawn. So I hope I covered all the topics for the basic map knowledge in this video. Now in the next video we would be moving on to the T-side smokes of Mirage. So guys, if you did like the video, do share it with your friends, do comment on it, tell me what I can improve in it if there are certain improvements, which I'm sure they are. So do let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. It is very beneficial for me. This is your host Pulse signing off. I hope you have a great day, guys. Peace.